Hello. Power BI Desktop helps you to connect to, transform, model, visualize, and analyze data that can be retrieved from different sources. Sometimes you will start application with a blank report, but often a template is a better choice. In this video, you will meet all types of templates within Power BI Desktop.
When you start a new document, basically you're creating a PBIX file. These files contain connections, datasets, transformations, visualizations, and other report elements. If you want to save a report without data, you will use option of creating a template by saving it as PBIT file. If you want to save only the link to the data source, you will create PBIDS file. Power BI templates are used to store queries, parameters, data models, schemas, relationships between tables, measures, etc., report pages, visualizations, and other report elements. The only thing that distinguishes them from PBIX files is that they usually do not contain data. Therefore, PBIT files should be significantly smaller. Let's save a report as a template. You can do so by choosing an option Save As and change file extension to PBIT. The other way is to export report to a template. If you want only to make a connection to a data source, you need to create a PBIDS file. By default, it will take same name as your connection. This action is accomplished by going to the File menu, selecting Options and Settings submenu, and then selecting the Data Source Settings options. To create a file, choose Export PBIDS. Further, if you open the file with Notepad, you will see the connection preferences. By double-clicking the file, you will start a Power BI desktop with a blank report that connects to designated data source. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.